so hungry, oh. Not so no food, oh. Not so no water. Not so no light, oh. What till we do them, we don't do them. What till we do them.
Solidarity.
Sir, Emma Benusa. Sorry, sir.
Solidarity.
Great Nigeria people. Oh, the greatest Nigeria people. The issue with the ground is very simple. The soldiers, they built 3 refineries in about 6 years after the Civil War. But since 1999, about 24 years now, these people have not been able to repair those refineries. That is why we export cheap crude oil. And the dollars we make from the cheap oil, we use it to import expensive petrol, diesel, and other petrol products. That is where the problem of the exchange rate madness. We are wasting too much money importing products that we should be refining in Nigeria.
Solidarity. I stand there to represent Nigeria. Council. The dollar is for the workers, not only for the working classes in the formal sector, but also in the informal sector, and for Nigerians that live in Lagos State. We are here at our holy chambers, the House of Assembly of Lagos State, and we believe that this is the House of Unity, where we have 40 members representing a different constituency of Lagos State and representing our people. Honorable members, we want to tell you categorically, sir, that there is hunger in the land. Oh yeah, Kabinu, oh yeah, Kabinu, Kabinu. The prices of goods and services, they are now out of reach of ordinary and common man. And even now, with the workers that we are earning salaries, these salaries is no longer able to take us anywhere again. Now we can no longer provide the basic needs for our families. On a daily basis, some of our workers and some Nigerians, now they do 100 or they do 010. If you eat once a day, you go to bed. And no family now has their children, whether you have belly food, it is only to provide. And even some family can no longer have the way without to provide with their family members. Insecurity is on the rise. Every region and every ethnicity, they run to Lagos for protection. Are we going to continue in this way? When we were growing up, I used to go to Ajaokuta to go and play lawn tennis competitions. But today, everybody is afraid to traverse from one part of the region in this country to another. For the simple reason of insecurity. insecurity from kidnappers, and also the state of our dilapidated road networks. You can see, today is just the beginning. Tomorrow we will come out again. But we have only restricted this our protest march to only very few members of our unions. We just said that NUT bring 50. Now bring 50. If we ask NUT to bring all their members, they are like 20,000. If you ask the nurses and midwives to stop work and bring all their members, this Allo chamber will not even contain all the workers, talkless of Nigerians. And this peaceful rally, we want the government, we want president to hear that Nigerians are... The center can no longer... We are hungry and we are... an hungry person, and from being angry, we don't want to be pushed to the wall. We want the government policies to be the positive ones that will bring a great relief to the people. We can see with the escalated prices of services and goods. Just about a few days ago, the Nigerian custom, they said, okay, let us push in the effect of this issue. You will see that people are hungry. That was why there was a stampede. And 7 people in Nigeria, they lost their life because of stomach infection. This enough should have made us to occupy the whole Nigeria. And then to say that this should make us to begin to mobilize seriously. But we still believe in this country. We don't want this country to go down. But we want our leaders to wake up. To wake up. We know that successive governments, they have done enough damage. But Mr. President, he knows that the office is a continuous one. And he knew that the challenges ahead of him was undaunted. He took it, he said he knows, but he will wipe away our tears. When he was campaigning, he mentioned in particular that the dialogue for combined
and sufferings of the people of the state and Nigeria. However, we passed a resolution to the governor to roll out palliatives, permanent one, to the people of the state. And just about 6 years ago, the governor of Lagos State, Governor Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, rolled out these palliatives and talked about reduction in BRT and all other ones. And just yesterday, special committee was inaugurated. And we assure you that by the grace of God, things will get shape in Lagos State and Nigeria as a whole by the grace of God. On the issue of our senior advocate of Nigeria that mentioned about social security and unemployment bill, we will report back to the leadership of the House and we assure you we will look into the bill and something will be done about it. Secondly, on the leadership of the NLC here, you acknowledge that Lagos State is one of the safest states in Nigeria today. And Mr. Speaker is always on the issue of creating a state police. And we thank God today, at the federal and all state governors, they've all agreed that there must be a state police. If we have to start state police, Lagos State, we are ready for the state police. I want to thank our commissioner for always making Lagos State one of the safest states. Thank you very much for listening to us. We'll deliver your message to you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
We are coming out again tomorrow.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.